Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of VPN guides and tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlock US Netflix in the UK in HD and 4K quality using Surfshark VPN. As you may already know, all content on Netflix is varied to the location you're in. Although UK Netflix have a large variety of TV shows and movies, US Netflix seems to always have an advantage on the new releases and even larger TV shows and movie collections. With Surfshark VPN, you'll be able to change your location and force your streaming services to unlock all available content in that particular part of the world. In this tutorial, I'm going to use Surfshark VPN, which is one of the best VPN providers when it comes to download speed and unlocking streaming services abroad. If you would like to view more in-depth Surfshark VPN tutorial, where I go into more details across this VPN provider, then please check the relevant link in this video description. So first thing you want to do to start unlocking your Netflix is to choose your payment plan and install Surfshark VPN on your device. You will have a choice of 3 payment plans: 1 month, 6 months, and 2 years. The longer you commit to stay with Surfshark VPN, the cheaper plan will be available. 2 years option includes 3 free months and attracts the cheapest plan. Follow easy step-by-step installation and activation process if you're installing on PC, or download and install relevant app on your mobile. Once installed, all you have to do is to change your server location to the US. It takes a very little effort to do it. All you have to do is to connect the VPN to the desired location and refresh your browser to apply changes.
Hello? Daddy's in charge now.
That's right.
Yeah!
Oh, bring it in here. Oh, you guys, we're gonna have so much fun.
Can we get a puppy?
Sure.
No.
No.
Well, which is it?
Ask your mother. Not now. Do it later when I'm not around.
Same principle applies for mobile phones.
Are you serious? False.
I think I'd enjoy working as a librarian.
False.
I have diarrhea once or more a month.
False, but thanks for asking.
I like the sound of a woman screaming.
You can even stream it from your mobile phone to your TV. You'll be able to gain access to any of the streaming services regardless of your location. You can easily unlock Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, and more. Please check the link in the description below to grab the latest Surfshark VPN deal. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this review, and I will see you in my next video.